I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to allow camera access on Snapchat. For that, open up your Snapchat app. As Snapchat is a camera app, you'll have to allow camera access. For that, you'll have to go to settings. So tap on open settings. After you tap on it, you can see a camera option. Tap on it. The green button indicates that now you have camera access on Snapchat. Now go back to your Snapchat. Now you have camera access on Snapchat. To take photos, tap on big white circle on the bottom of the screen, and to take video, hold down the white button and let it go when you're finished recording. This way you can easily allow camera access on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll be back with more videos. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.